I'm Sunny Agarwal, and I welcome you all into this Dell Boomi web series. So many of you might be already knowing me since you have attended my SOA sessions. So this is a new initiative considering the change in the middleware landscape. We have come up with a new series on Dell Boomi, wherein you will be getting multiple videos from me on Dell Boomi, and within a due course of time you can have an expertise on the Dell Boomi. So Dell Boomi is a bigger umbrella, and these all videos would be focusing majorly on Dell Boomi Atomsphere, and we'll talk on this in detail. Please don't confuse this terminology with atmosphere. This is Dell Boomi Atomsphere. Okay, so before I get into this technicalities of this Dell Boomi platform, a lot of people want to know about the prerequisites to understand this. See, if you have an idea of any middleware, that is icing on the top of the cake. But if you're coming from a non-middleware background, then a basic knowledge of XML would be sufficient to understand this Dell Boomi. uh, it is also used by business users, so even if you don't know XML, then also you can work on it, but I would always advise to have basic minimal knowledge of XML to get started with Dell Boomi. So if there is anyone who do not have idea on XML, please get in touch with me. Okay, I can provide you some material for that. So let's talk about Dell Boomi. So you know this is Dell Boomi is an leading industry iPaaS. Okay, whenever you start reading about Dell Boomi, a common terminology will come across as iPaaS. So it's very important to understand what is iPaaS. It is integration platform as a service. So what has happened is you have been seeing from last few years, cloud is gaining more market, and different enterprises are moving their applications to the cloud. So since there is a change in the approach, the applications are maintained now. The trend of on-premises applications is decreasing drastically, and most of the enterprises are hosting their applications on cloud. Due to that, there is a change, or there is a disruption in the integration industry as well. So earlier, whatever integration solutions we had, like Oracle SOA Suite, Oracle Service Bus, uh, IBM Suite, TIPCO, these all were majorly renowned tools for on-premises integration. But now when the applications are being moved to the cloud, there is a need for the cloud integration. So there is a need where different applications on the cloud can be integrated with each other. Also, there is a need where on-premises application can be integrated with the cloud applications. So right, so basically this Dell Boomi tool focuses majorly on cloud-based integrations, but at the same time, it is very much possible to use this tool for on-premises integration. But considering the IT trend, we majorly use this tool for either cloud to cloud integration or cloud to on-premises integration. Okay, so whenever we have cloud to on-premises integration involved, such integrations are called as hybrid integration. Hybrid means neither on-premises to on-premises nor cloud to cloud. It's a mixture. So Dell Boomi can be very well used for the hybrid integrations also. Now you have to understand, what does integration platform as a service mean? Okay, you might have heard few other terminologies related to cloud computing: SaaS, IaaS, PaaS. So these are nothing but software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. Now what does it mean is, with the introduction of the cloud, you need not to worry about setting up the complete infrastructure, getting the license for a particular software, getting the platform on your machine. Rather, you can use the ready-made service provided by certain giant, and having the internet connection would be sufficient to get started with a particular platform or software, or to use or leverage certain infrastructure. So same thing stands good over here also. This Dell Boomi is a cloud-based solution. So you need not to have any software installed in your machine. You you just need to have an internet connection to work on Dell Boomi. So if you are sitting at your home, or you are sitting at your office, or you are sitting in some lounge, you can just get started with the internet connection and you are good to go with the development. So that's why Dell Boomi says this is a platform which allows you to do any kind of integration from any place. So there is no such restriction that this integration would need certain software to be installed in your machine. This integration would need certain IDs in your machine. Those things are not required. So in older tools which you might see in the market, you need to do a lot of steps to have the setup in place. So those all time and bandwidth can be saved with the help of Dell Boomi. You just get a license and you are good to go with the development. So it saves a lot of time. Okay, and when time is saved, ultimately it leads to a lesser cost as well. So that's why a lot of enterprises are preferring this kind of tool. Okay, so the major thing you have to understand is why, what does platform as a service mean, or what does integration platform as a service mean? When can we consider any solution as a integration platform as a service? So see, something is called as a platform as a service where the complete development, compilation, execution, monitoring can be done on the cloud, which means to perform all these activities which I have mentioned, those are development, compilation. Just excuse me for some spelling mistakes if I make, because it happens at times while I'm in a flow. So all these activities which I have mentioned, development, compilation, execution, monitoring, if these can be done on the cloud itself, then it can be called as a platform as a service. So a particular platform is being offered as a service. We just need to subscribe for that service, and after that we will have certain credentials to just leverage that service. We need not to get anything installed on our machine. We just need to subscribe for the service. Now this service facilitates integration of different applications, either on cloud or on premises. That's why it is called as integration platform as a service. So any platform which facilitates integration of different on premises and cloud applications, also that platform is available on the cloud, then that particular platform can be called as integration platform as a service. I'll repeat myself: any platform which is available on the cloud and can facilitate development, compilation, execution, and monitoring of the logic can be called as a platform as a service. And if that platform facilitates integration of the different systems in an enterprise, let it be an on-premises system or on cloud system, then it is called as integration platform as a service. Any platform which facilitates integration of different applications being on the cloud is called as integration platform as a service. So I hope this part is clear. Now moving on. So we will start onto the hands-on part from my video one, so that we don't end up doing theory in initial sessions, which makes people a little lethargic about this, or they don't find it interesting. So we will cover little bit theory and a little bit